SmarterU LMS creates a great first impression with learners. Featuring a hassle-free login page, intuitive profile management, customization options, and accessibility settings, SmarterU gets every learner started off right. Let's look at an example. Meet Adrian, a new hire at a fictitious company called Clear Day Windows. It's his first day, and he's just received a link to SmarterU LMS where he'll take his online training. He's also received his login credentials. Adrian clicks on the link included in his email invitation to SmarterU. This takes him straight to the login page where he sees the company logo and Clear Day Windows branding. This familiarity assures him that he's in the right place. He notices that the URL is customized for Clear Day Windows, making it easy to remember. He sees that he can also log in using single sign-on, also called SSO. This feature allows Adrian to use his existing credentials for another trusted system such as Office 365 or Google Drive to log into SmarterU. For now, Adrian decides to log in with SmarterU. Adrian notices that he can display the page in several languages. He also sees that there's a way for him to reset his password, a helpful feature if he ever forgets or wants to change it. Adrian enters his email address and password, which logs him into SmarterU LMS. He sees his name at the top of the page and clicks to view his profile. Adrian can see that a lot of his information has already been added. He clicks Edit to see what he can change. Adrian notices he can update his profile details such as his name, password, and contact information. He clicks Replace Photo to upload a different picture. Adrian opens the profile menu to see what else he can do. He sees an option to change the theme. After exploring a few of the themes, Adrian decides he likes Nebula the best. Within the profile menu, he sees another language preference selector. Adrian speaks both English and Spanish. He toggles to Spanish and is impressed to see that the interface now displays for him in the language of his choice. Adrian decides to leave the language set to English for now. Before leaving the profile menu, a high contrast setting catches Adrian's eye. As someone with compromised vision, it's wonderful to see that this option is available when he needs it. His supervisor told him he can even access his training using a screen reader and that keyboard-only navigation is possible. Adrian reads the message at the top and learns there are new products launching soon. It's easy to keep up to date with everything when company announcements display prominently on the home page. He sees that there's even a link to the company website and the employee directory. Now that he's logged in, customized his settings, and is feeling right at home with SmarterU LMS, Adrian is excited to scroll down and start his training. He's happy to learn that SmarterU LMS works seamlessly across all major devices so he can also access his training on his phone or tablet. With frictionless login, SSO capabilities, intuitive profile management, theme customization, and built-in accessibility settings, SmarterU ensures every learner's experience is positive right from the start. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel and consider subscribing. Have a great day.